Welcome back. You know, we all need to eat, yeah, but what we buy, where we shop, well, that's up to us.
Yeah, and when you're looking for local, organic, good-for-you options, Fresh Thyme Market is a great place to be. They have just had a grand reopening at their Breton Store in Grand Rapids after a big renovation. We got to look inside.
There are a lot of fun things happening right now at Fresh Thyme Market in Grand Rapids, and obviously the amazing remodel. And how we structured this remodel was based on our model that we did with the market format, which is a fresh format that we did at our flagship store in St. Louis, Missouri. So there's over 4,000 new items we've introduced, over 600 local items we've introduced, and so whether that's Field and Fire in the bakery or Garden Geeks and produce, it's just a really great time to come in the store. So the community has really been welcoming here at Fresh Thyme Grand Rapids. We had a reopening last week on Wednesday. Super exciting. Had the media out, had our partners and community and local vendors. We did a farmers market out front. And so it's just been really great to get the community in here and hear how excited they are about Fresh Thyme. So at Fresh Thyme Market, one of the things that we're really proud of is making fresh food available for our community, right? So providing that one-stop shop for our community and our shoppers, and then they can come in here at a value, whether it's natural and organic, which we've recently expanded, or just your everyday favorites. So super excited about presenting this new format to our community. One of the reasons why we went ahead and made this investment in our community was, as you see the layout here, right? It's real open, it's real inviting, and so whether it's the self-checks or the expanded aisles or the increased lane space as you're shopping, we really wanted to give our customers the experience of fresh, local, value, real food at great prices. So one of the things that I'm most excited about the store is certainly our local. So as we've expanded our local category and redefining our commitment and our relationships with our local vendors, and again, we've got, whether that's Kind Crumbs in the bakery, Garden Geeks over in produce, love the sushi, the expanded sushi sets. So there's just so many fun things right now to be excited about. Yeah, at Fresh Thyme, we believe in supporting local, and we believe it's important, for one, right, to give back to our community, to invest in those jobs in our community, to minimize that green footprint, right? So we're not potentially getting some of these items from out of state or whatnot. We're really wanting to invest in that local community piece with jobs and resources, and so we're super excited to support that. The experience you're going to get when you're going to be met by a team member, you're going to get value throughout the store. Our products are going to be fresh. The quality is going to be great. You're going to be inspired by the colors. So whether it's seasonality, whether it's back to school, we'd love to see you down here in the store. The shopping experience is really meant to invoke your senses. So as you come in the door and you walk into floral, and what an amazing floral set that is, and then as you get through the bakery and all the fresh baked goods that you have there, and as you get into our amazing protein and meat market, and then you start to make your way into our produce department and through the rest of the store. So it's, we're excited about the customers being able to come in and slow down, take their time, meet our team members, enjoy the local products that we brought in the store, and we're so excited about seeing them in here.
And Fresh Thyme Market is at 2470 Burton Street Southeast. You can check out their store hours and learn more at freshthyme.com.